3, 2, 1. Super shitty clap.
Give me a kiss to build a dream on, and my imagination will thrive upon that kiss. Give me what you alone can give, a kiss to build a dream on. Give me a kiss before you leave me, and my imagination will feed my hungry heart. Give me one thing before we part, kiss to build a dream on. When I'm alone with my fancies, I'll be with you, weaving romances, making believe they're true. So give me your lips just for a moment, and my imagination will make that moment live. Give me what you alone can give, a kiss to build a dream on. When I'm alone with my fancies, I'll be with you, weaving romances, making believe they're true. So give me a kiss to build a dream on, and my imagination will thrive upon that kiss. Give me what you alone can give, a kiss to build a dream on.
So this can all be... yeah, I wonder. I did not think about how it worked, but there's something wrong with this Zoom record. I know this minus 20 dB might... they probably use it just to put a line level in, but then again, it's kind of weird. Well, see ya.